Tomorrow is the celebration sa Mother's Day. So today, Seventh-day Adventist Simangan and Mahayag Churches combination will have a short Mother's Day presentation.
I'm in the Lord's army, yes sir. I'm in the Lord's army, yes sir. Mother, I love you. Mother, I do. Father in heaven has sent me to you. When I am near you, I love to hear you singing so softly that you love me too. Mother, I love you. Mother, I do. I want to help you because I love you. I want to mind you. I want to find you happy and smiling because I love you. Mother, I love you. I love you, I do. So when you stay by my side.
Sila ang katagal sa Ginoo katungod ka magpurma ang tao sa sunod silang taguakan. Push ka ng pakpak ng lalaki yun. So, nitak na at yatag panahon kay Pastor Paul Barcinas, sabi na siya mag-ampo, alang sa tumainhan.